What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Fusion Garage here. Today we're going to be working on the Civic again. If you haven't watched the latest vlogs, be sure to watch those before you watch this video. We did finish up wrapping the Civic, most of it, but now today we're going to be doing the wide body. It's actually the same kit, but it's different. So I got the boxes down over here, right here. So one box, two box. We are going to use the same skirts from our previous kit. And that last video did show us finishing up like the door handles, this BMW M4 style bumper. For the wide body kit in here, and I didn't open the boxes yet. I did open this one, but everything's still inside, so I didn't even check if anything got damaged. So this was shipped from Thailand, from Kevman's, and I'm just ready to show you guys what this is gonna look like. So it's not gonna be completely done yet. We still got wheels coming because that gray is not offsetting this midnight gold. I don't like it at all. So I was trying to wait for Tomorrow Boy to see if it was available to redo my wheels, change the color, etc. But it was gonna be taking too long, so I already ordered wheels. So these wheels are gonna be for sale. Perfect. Running like only -1 camber. So if you don't like camber as much, these are perfect wide body specs right here. So these will be up for sale. You can hit me up on IG to see if you are interested in buying these. But these are coming off the car soon. So we're just gonna open all these up, lay them all on the floor, open out our cardboard and saran wrap and bubble wrap, and let's just do a quick look at everything. And this will be a little test fit video of how it's gonna look on the car. Let's get it. Alright guys, I got the driver's side unwrapped. Let's take a look closely at the kit. We got the front flare, rear door flare, and front and rear bumper flares, and we got the quarter panel flares. So a little closer to the detail look. Yes, this is forged carbon, probably the more expensive side of the carbon finishes you could get. This will definitely match my hood, and also the skirts have carbon fiber at the bottom, so that's why I didn't get a new skirt. So let's check it out. So already it looks like I have to drill pilot holes right here. The holes didn't come drilled, so let's drill very tiny pilot holes so I can try to see in right through it to see the holes on the body, so I can try to match it there. So if I drill a pilot hole and then I can see it, and then the hole I need to go is on the left side, then I just drill more on the left side. So that's how I'm gonna do my hole placements right there. Let's take a look behind the flare. Let's look at how reinforced these are. So it isn't super light. I think the reason being because the reinforcement that Kevman's use on the back, it's very good. It's pretty solid, so it shouldn't be breaking easily like that. So it is a carbon on the top portion, and behind I believe it's a reinforced, maybe with some more fiberglass and resin, but that's the detail of the kit. So if you do not know, actually when I did started trying to YouTube, I did have the first honeycomb carbon kit. So now this time I have forged carbon. I wanted to go back to forged carbon or carbon in general, because when I had the honeycomb kit, literally I finished the car right when COVID happened, and then bam, there was no car, nothing anymore. So now I just want to bring it out and mix it with the new setup, and this will be my last setup ever. New wheels. This will be the finalized thing, and then I will have to fix the trunk setup. So after that, then we're just gonna tackle, you know, wide bodying the BRZ, etc. So today's video, we're just gonna go ahead and test fit the driver's side and show you guys how that looks. And you guys want to stay tuned on the next video when we do this whole install in this finalized form, air it out and everything. So yeah, we got the driver's side skirt right here. It is forged carbon. So we peel off the old wrap, we wrap that later. But in the meantime, I'm probably gonna use some kind of, I don't know, maybe jack stands or blocks just to hold the skirt up. And we're gonna go ahead and check the fitment, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do to make this fit better, because I already know it's not gonna be perfect fit. But you guys do gotta understand, aftermarket parts should never be perfect fit. So if you are struggling to modify your car and hate it, don't mod your car. Modifying your car, it means you need to modify your car, customization. So if you don't want to do all that and you'd rather pay a shop, I don't know, that's just you. But we're gonna get this done, guys. Alright, ladies and gents, we got the test fit on with the masking tape. So let's just go around this whole kit. I'm going to show you what I have to do. It's already looking like a lot of work, but it has to be done. So let's go ahead and start off with the front. This needs to be pushed back more. Once I push it back more here, there's still quite a gap. I'd say that's like a 1/4 inch gap right there. So more than likely I need to cut more on my inner fender down this way, so that way I can slide this in more this way. Okay, and then now we're going from the front part right here. So as this bumper will push in a little bit more, this gets pushed in right there. So you can see the fitment's kind of off already right here. Bam, there it is. So I'm gonna have to cut a little bit off this piece right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's just do a slash down this way, so that way this could get pushed in more. And how these are going to be held together is I'm going to put a bolt in right here, going through on this side, bolt and nut, so that way it goes together because there's no bumper tabs to hold this on. So that'll be good right there. And again, pilot holes, small pilot holes, so we can see the hole inside there. So the front doesn't look too bad. These are gonna get shaved off, so I'm gonna thin these out almost like how regular fenders are. Let's thin this out because we want the fitment good, because this is about a little more than 1/4 inch. It's like 1/2 inch in here. So with the fitment being, I want the fitment good. It's gonna hit this. It's gonna hit this. So let's thin this out, make it really thin, so that way we have chances to do more fender to lip. So that's gonna get shaved off. I'll use a Dremel, sand it down. I'm gonna cut a little bit between right here, going down this way. Let's thin this part right here too. So we're going down to the rear flares. 1/4 panel needs a lot of work. Again, this is not gonna flex, so it's not gonna be a perfect fit. So I have to try to get it to fit as much as possible. Obviously, this has to go up more because it's not even lining up right here. So I have to get that pushed up. This one doesn't seem like a problem. It's as far as lining this one up to these holes and to the gas cap area. The other side will be a little bit more easier. It'll be actually maybe a little bit off in the fitment compared to this side because we have something to line it up right here. Versus on the other side, there's nothing. There's no gas cap, so it's going to be straight away. So, and then again, this side again. So if we pull this off, we're going to have to thin this part out, cut a little piece off towards this way. That way this can get pushed in more. So you see how it's sticking out? This needs to get pushed in. So pushed in so that way it lines up here. And again, bolt going through this flare and then nut. So that way it holds, because there's no screw to hold this together right there. And this one again, this part right here is going to get thinned out. See it? So let's thin this out, make it flush, a little thin, as well as what we're going to do to the front. And then this part, I believe I need to push this in a little bit more this way. So as I'm screwing it on, I'm going to do a little bit of force, but not too much force. I don't want to crack the carbon. So I might have to trim the backside right here. That way I can push it in more, because right now it's already on the backside. It's not moving, but it needs to get moved a little bit more this way to cover some of these gaps, and then this needs to get pushed up there. So I could do those while I'm screwing it on, but it's gonna be a mission. So today's video was just to show you guys the fitment. I'm actually gonna start working on it today, but this will be too long of a video. So you guys want to stay tuned of me finishing this install on my Civic. And let's just do a quick from a distance. Oh man, it's looking good. So forged carbon fiber wide body, Kevman's wide body. If you do need any Kevman's parts, I am still a seller for the company, so you can go ahead and hit me up, DMs, email, whichever you like that's more convenient to you. So follow me on my social media, and this is gonna be hitting the streets in SoCal pretty soon. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, send some comments down below. You guys need any tips of anything on your kit or whatever, so feel free to ask. I'm here to help you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm out.